If you're over 50 and feel like your legs aren't as steady or strong as they used to be, you're definitely not alone. Aging naturally brings changes to our muscles, making everyday tasks like standing up, climbing stairs, or walking for long periods more challenging. But here's the encouraging part. You don't need a gym, machines, or long workouts to turn things around. One simple, low-impact exercise can make a massive difference, and you can do it right at home. It helps reactivate the muscles in your legs, strengthen your joints, and improve your balance, all without putting stress on your knees or back. This move is safe for beginners, yet effective enough for those already staying active. With just a few minutes a day, it can help you feel more stable, more confident, and more energized in your body. Thousands of older adults are already using this exercise to walk more comfortably, stand up with ease, and even regain their independence. And you can too. All you need is a sturdy chair or wall nearby for support, and a little bit of consistency. Let's break it down step by step so you can start restoring your leg strength starting today. Number 1. Bulgarian split squats. Bulgarian split squats are a powerful leg-strengthening exercise that targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Stand a few feet in front of a chair or bench, place one foot behind you on it, and lower your body into a lunge. Keep your front knee aligned with your ankle. Push through your front heel to rise back up. Perform 8 to 12 reps per leg. This move improves balance, mobility, and leg strength, perfect for aging legs. Number 2. Calf raises. Calf raises are a simple yet powerful exercise to strengthen the lower legs. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and slowly lift your heels off the ground, balancing on your toes. Hold briefly, then lower back down with control. This move targets your calf muscles, improves ankle stability, and boosts balance, key for walking and preventing falls. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps daily, using a chair or wall for support if needed. Number 3. Glutes bridges. Glute bridges are a great at-home exercise to strengthen your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms at your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. This movement helps support your spine, improve posture, and build strength in your hips and legs. It's especially helpful for reducing lower back discomfort and improving stability. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Add a pause or hold for extra intensity as you progress. Number 4. Horse stance. The horse stance is an ancient, low-impact exercise that builds leg strength, endurance, and balance, especially helpful for those over 50. Start by standing with your feet wider than shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Bend your knees and lower your body into a squat, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back straight, chest up, and hold the position. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds to start, gradually increasing over time. This pose strengthens your thighs, glutes, and core, while also improving posture and stability. It's a powerful isometric move that requires no equipment and can be done anywhere, anytime. Bonus tips. Wall sits. Wall sits are a fantastic isometric exercise that builds strength and endurance in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your back against a wall and slowly slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your back flat against the wall and your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds, depending on your fitness level. This move strengthens your lower body, improves joint stability, and enhances balance, all essential as we age. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. It's simple, effective, and requires no equipment, just a bit of wall space. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.